Hi, my name is Catherine. I am doing a review on divine commissions. Now, what is divine commissions? It is a secret powerful system revealed for the first time ever. Put $1 in and get $10 out. Hand-holding training guides complete newbies to daily cash commissions. Now, this is extremely beginner-friendly. It actually turns consistently $1 to $10 every time. It is an all-in solution. It has unlimited buyer traffic. It has a $30,000 case study included. As you scroll down this sales page, you will get to hear from the beta testers and those individuals who have purchased this product and how surprised they are in actually getting the results. And you also will be hearing from Jonas's story of how he stumbled on this underground method to get high volume traffic that costs pennies with no competitions. Now, should you decide to buy this product, you do come into this members area where you will get a welcome from Philip and Dan. All right, and then it will shows you here how to get 43K in 7 days. In this case study and overview, Jonas will give you an introduction and overview of this method. Included in this will be a case study to show you how they can make the money they make, through this method. In this section of the training, they will give you the reasons why they use Google Ads, and they will show you how to find the right product to promote, and it will give you the website intro and how to make your review and how to set up your Google Ads and how to set up your ad and to scale to 5 figures altogether. And then there will be upgrades, which I will talk to you more about it later. And there is an announced bonus, which is to make $500 from simple YouTube videos. Okay, and here I will show you the vendors bonuses. Bonus number 1 is direct access to the Divine Commissions Masters. Bonus number 2 is free training on how to make 43,000 in 7 days. Bonus number 3 is free high ticket training worth over $1,900. Bonus number 4 is unfair advantage in business and live custom training. Bonus number 5 is instant approval to promote divine commissions. Now, should you decide to buy this product, do click onto the link at the description below and you will come to this bonus page. Do take note that the product will be launched on the October the 12th, 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and it will end on October the 15th, 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So should you decide to buy this product, do click on to these buttons here, any of the yellow button, and to secure your copy of the software as well as your bonuses. There is a section on the prices and upsells. The front end, you will get the Divine Commission software and training modules. Now, it is now going for $12.95. However, if you go to the sales page, there is a 25% discount that you can claim, making the front end product to be just under $10. Upsell number 1 is the Pro version, going for $17. Here you will get more training, case study, extra hacks on how to get 10 times your traffic. Upsell number 2 is done for you, going for $37 during the launch. Now, this upgrade will give you all the proven ads and creatives that Jonas have used in the past to consistently turn $1 into $10 without effort. Now, upsell number 3 is unlimited traffic. Here, you are allowed to put your pixel on their sales pages to steal all their buyers at $67. Upsell number 4 is traffic mastery, going for $37 during the launch. Here, they will use the proven strategies from the highest earning marketers out there, and they will break it down into a smaller steps customized for divine commissions using the free traffic, underground social media, as well as the platforms to convert the offers that you have to make sales. Number 5 is the reseller's rights, going for $47 on the down sale. You can sell rights to divine commissions. There is as well as double your profits by selling War Law as your own. This product under my link, you will get additional bonuses from me. Here, bonus number 1, you get Aurora Pro. This is where you can select your best traffic source, right, and match it with the high converting offer to get the maximum results. This is bonus number 2. Bonus number 2 is how to get free traffic from Instagram. This is another avenue whereby you can actually get more traffic, and using that traffic in Instagram to convert the offers you have to sales. Bonus number 3 is how to accelerate your Facebook following. Here is a method of teaching you how to build your Facebook following to get a greater conversion as you promote your products. Atomic done for you. This is a lead capturing system where you can give away done for you products to your customers when they subscribe to your list. Bonus number 5 is the free access to all bonuses from the vendor. This is a rundown as what you will get in buying Divine Commissions. You will get Divine Commissions training that is worth just under $500. You will get Divine Training copy paste campaigns for under $1,000. You will get all the 5 bonuses from the vendors. That is all valued at over $8,000. Plus all my bonuses should you be getting the product under my link. In addition, for the first 25 only, should you want to unlock access to 1 billion additional buyers, you can get this for only under $10 one time, which normally costs $97. And you will have the comfort of a 30-day money-back guarantee. Now, should you decide to buy this product, do click on to any of the yellow buttons there to secure your copy of the software and bonuses. Thanks for taking the time to check out my review and bonuses. See you in the next review. Bye.